Another video. In this video I've taken this page from the famous book of compiler called Dragon Book, and you can see in this page the entire working of the compiler is described through the different phases of compiler. This is the first phase of compiler, that is called lexical analyzer, and it take as input your source code, which is nothing but a sequence of characters. So you check the patterns. It separates each sequence of character by blank space. So now this things are separated, and it checks where the patterns, whether it is keyword or symbol or any operator. So by checking the pattern, the lexical analyzer identify that it is not a keyword. This is not a keyword. It must be an identifier. So what it did, it recorded this identifier in symbol table at position 1 and created a token. Next, it checks the another pattern and identify as a assignment operator, and it creates a token. In a similar manner, it identifies rest of the pattern, and this is the output of lexical analyzer, a set of tokens. These tokens are passed to next phase, and the next phase, that is syntax analyzer, based on the grammar what it does, it creates a syntax tree. And identify whether the given input is valid or invalid. So if the syntax analyzer can create a parser tree based on the grammar, then the input is valid, and then it passes this to next phase, that is semantic analyzer, which perform some additional functionality like type checking, type conversion. So here you can see this integer is converted into float in semantic analyzer. Then the information is passed to the next phase, that is intermediate code generator, which generates intermediate code which are somehow similar to machine code but not very specific to any target machine. That's why these codes are called intermediate codes. And then these intermediate codes are passed to next phase, that is code optimizer, and some useless codes are eliminated here, and now we have only optimized code, and these optimized codes are then passed to the last phase, that is code generator phase. And this phase is actually generate the target machine specific code. and these are the machine specific codes which can be executed by the machine. So this is the entire working of the compiler